Tahmina Khan is here in TK Maths is Fun. In today's video, I will give you the checklist for exam preparation for A-level Mathematics M1. So there is no explanation of the concept. Just I have list down or made a list of the concepts you must need to revise. Okay, so let's go through it. So first of all, it is paper 4, M1 and 9709 is the code. In the syllabus, you have 5 major concepts. And you might have noticed that in M1, most of the time concepts are merged, like forces almost in everything it is applied. And what concepts you need to revise in each beside that, I have given in the bottom the list of the questions here. Let me show you. For example, here. So I have given this list to tell you what you must need to revise here, right? For example, if you want to practice this question, you will see what is in this question. So this question will have equations using energy method, suitable situation of particles dropped in a water tank. So because there are different type of situations in the question, so I have tried to give hint here what type of situation is present in the question, so that if you want to practice a particular type, you can refer to that straight away. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. So number one thing is, these are the main topics. And if you want to see the explanation of few concepts, you can visit the site tkmaths.com or tkmaths.blogspot.com. Here there are videos which have explanation of the questions. Not all these which I have mentioned here, but yes, few questions which cover the concept. Okay, so now if you are revising kinematic of motion in a straight line, distance, velocity, and acceleration. So you must understand all these terms because these are the concepts which will be asked. Now, I will not read in each and every. You can put the video on pause and you can read it and make a note of it if you want. If you don't remember anything, then you can note down for revision. Sketching and interpretation of velocity time graph, area under the velocity time graph, gradient of displacement time. So these type of all concepts you must understand, right? Again, the questions I have selected in the bottom will cover these concepts. Now Newton's first law, second law, third law, gravity and weight, connected particle. Now this is important. When we are talking about connected particle, you remember we are talking about the pulley type questions when two objects, for example, car and trailers are connected, or with the help of the bar. So what is the tension in it? Or there's a straight table which has at the two end particles are hanging, or maybe not a straight table, it's ramp. So those type of questions are coming under the concept of connected particles. So make sure you revise one or two of each type. Now, resultant and component of forces. This is applied almost everywhere when you are resolving the forces. Now, when you are resolving along x-axis or y-axis, or when you are on the ramp, so parallel to the plane or perpendicular to the plane, right? So those type of question. Again, for practice and to get better understand, go to the questions I have given at the bottom. In equilibrium and acceleration under concurrent forces. Now concurrent forces are when they are all forces applying at the same point. Like I said, I'll not explain the concept here. And at any point, if you get confused, okay, what is this? It means you need to read that topic more in detail, right? It means something is missing. That's why you are unable to understand what does it mean. So system of forces and equilibrium, magnitude and direction of unknown forces, motion in horizontal plane, inclined plane, bodies accelerating. So these type of questions, and mostly they're merged with other concepts. Friction, limiting friction, limiting equilibrium, friction between two forces, two surfaces. Again, you have to resolve forces if it is on the plane or something. So this concept of resolving forces and finding the components of the forces is applied almost in every single question, every second question. Momentum. You will not find the question of this topic in the past paper because this topic was introduced last year. So you need to see the reference books, or Edexcel will have good questions of it. So you can, like you practice from Cambridge papers, CIE, you can download Edexcel papers and you will find good questions of momentum. But remember, we have a very limited not information, but the requirement of the syllabus. In Edexcel, if you will practice questions, they have more, like what is impulse and other things, which are not part of our syllabus, right? So you need to be careful. So by the way, I have made a complete video on momentum and it is available on my blog address, tkmathsisfun.blogspot.com. So if you go on this side and click M1 and go in the bottom at momentum, you will see the video which has, from beginning till end explanation and examples of momentum. So if you want to revise, you can revise from there. Similarly, on work, energy, power, the complete set of video. So from the beginning till end, everything. So work done by constant force against gravity and friction. Mechanical energy is equals to kinetic plus potential. You need to know all this. And kinetic energy, potential energy, conservation of energy in a system of non-conservative forces and in a system of conservative forces. So what are these? If you need explanation, go to the videos, or you can revise from any book you want to. And what is power? Rate of work done. Calculate the power of a moving body and the rest of the detail here. So you can put video on pause and make a note of the concepts you want to revise. Okay, now the questions, because pointers are finished. So if you want to revise, so what equation? So here are 7 questions, and I have given the description, a bit of description, not the complete description, okay, what each question is carrying. Like for example, particles thrown up. So the questions in which we throw the particle up, the particle is thrown in the tank, those type of questions. Drop from certain height or projected upward. So you see, I've given the hint here, and whatever the type you want to revise, you can. I have tried to pick up all different type of questions here. If you want to revise direction and magnitude of the coplanar forces, which are all applied on the same plane. So here are 5 questions. Again, the description is here. I'm just stopping on this for a few seconds so that you can read, or you can put the video on pause. Direction of the resultant, you have to find out. Okay, so 3 forces given, 1 is unknown, so you have to find it. So good, interesting question. Sketch a graph or use already sketched graph. So in the question, sometimes they give you sketch, and with in connection with that sketch, they ask you questions. So you have to answer those questions. And sometimes situation is explained to you and you have to sketch a graph. So both type of questions are given here. For example, find values from the given graph. So graph is given to you. Here, you have to sketch graph. Information is given to you and find the values, whatever are unknowns. Similarly here. Then component of forces, where we resolve it into horizontally, vertically, or parallel and perpendicular to the plane. So you can see here, you can make a note of it. You see, particle is hanging with 2 strings. Rough plane, so friction will be involved in it. So you see, there's not a question which is based singly on one concept. It's a mix of a concept. So it's a good thing. How do one concept is applied in the other? Forces and Newton's law. Now train on the inclined plane. good mix of second law, SWOT, and friction. So 3 concepts in the connected particle question, rough inclined plane question. Now second law you are using what? An energy method, okay? So work, energy, power. Sometimes they bound you by saying apply energy method. So then you have to use that method. If you use otherwise, you get 0 marks. Then it is connected particles. There are situations when a string break and now there's slack string, so you have to find new acceleration. Interesting questions, right? So you have to practice 1 or 2 of each type. So I've given here types, given here question, and by the way, if I have made any typing error, I'm sorry for that, though I try to be extremely careful, but Tuar is human, so please do accept my apology in advance if there is any such error. So these are all, which topic was it? Connected particle. Okay, so I've given you 2 more questions here. This is inclined plane, calculate acceleration and angle. 2 particle, one is hanging, other is on the rough inclined plane. So you see hint is given here. And then friction questions are here. And when you are doing friction, automatically limiting equilibrium, what are the concepts you apply in it? Resolving forces, all this will be applied here. And Newton's second law of motion also. Now work, energy and power. So up and down the hill, 2 ramps, energy equation, concept of power on the horizontal road, diagram is given, then what to do. So different variety. So you can see what you need to practice and practice that particular question. And then calculus, differentiation and integration, where at times acceleration equation is given to you, and then you have to solve for displacement, for velocity. So you integrate it, or otherwise you differentiate, vice versa. So I have given you here the questions, 6 questions, right? So you can practice these. So with this, I will finish the video here, and I will write here, which I forgot here to write, and that is all the best. Wait, let me write here. All the best for your exam, right? So thank you very much for watching this video, and please share it with your friends if you think it is useful and can help them in their learning. Press like and subscribe button for the more notification. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.